Locate the items needed for this lab. You will have to provide a pot with a handle, string or a rubber band, and a piece of plastic wrap. Label 3 test tubes: 3 molar hydrochloric acid, 2 molar hydrochloric acid, and 1.5 molar hydrochloric acid. Try your best to conserve the hydrochloric acid. You will need it for other lab experiments. Wearing gloves, prepare the solutions as described in the procedures. Gently push the rigid 3-inch tube into the rubber stopper. Keep your grip on the tube close to the stopper as you push the tube through. This reduces the chance of the tube breaking. Use the same technique to push the other end of the rigid tube into the flexible tube. Fill the pot with tap water. Completely fill the 100 milliliter graduated cylinder with tap water. Completely cover the opening of the 100 milliliter graduated cylinder with a piece of plastic wrap. Tightly hold the plastic wrap over the opening, invert the graduated cylinder, and place it in the pot. Be sure that there is not an air gap in the graduated cylinder. Remove the plastic wrap. Use the test tube clamp and a rubber band or a piece of string to secure the graduated cylinder to the pot handle. Insert the end of the long flexible tubing into the graduated cylinder. The flexible tubing should be inserted high enough so that it does not come out of the graduated cylinder at any point during the experiment. Add about 200 milliliters of tap water to your 250 milliliter beaker and set it aside. Bend the zinc metal strip in half. At time 0, begin the reaction between the 3 molar hydrochloric acid solution and the zinc metal. Add 10 milliliters of the 3 molar hydrochloric acid solution to the Erlenmeyer flask. Drop the zinc strip into the Erlenmeyer flask and immediately insert the stopper. Shake the flask gently so that the hydrochloric acid solution will come in contact with the zinc strip. Record time and volume every 30 seconds until you collect 70 milliliters of hydrogen gas in the graduated cylinder. When 70 milliliters of gas are collected, the trial is over. Record the time taken to produce 70 milliliters of hydrogen gas for trial 1. Remove the stopper from the flask and immediately dump the zinc and acid into the 250 milliliter beaker with the 200 milliliters of water. Take the 250 milliliter beaker to the sink and with the water running, carefully pour out the solution, leaving the zinc strip. Flush the solution down the drain with plenty of water and rinse the zinc several times. Dry and sand off any black residue on the zinc strip. Refill the graduated cylinder with water and set up the apparatus for 2 more trials. You will repeat these steps for trial 2 using the 2 molar hydrochloric acid solution and for trial 3 using the 1.5 molar hydrochloric acid solution. Once you have finished all trials and have recorded all your data, dispose of all chemical waste down the sink with plenty of water.